friends. Today, we're making a moist chocolate cake, rich, soft, and so easy that you'll want to bake it every week. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. 1½ cups of flour, ½ cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a large bowl, add the eggs, sugar, oil, and vanilla. Whisk until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Then, add the milk and mix again. In another bowl, combine the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ones, stirring until the batter is smooth and glossy. Grease your baking pan with a little oil and dust it with flour. Pour in the batter and bake for about 30 to 35 minutos. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. While it's baking, let's make a quick chocolate sauce. In a small pot on low heat, add ½ cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir until everything melts together and turns shiny and smooth. Now take the cake out of the oven. Let it cool a little, and pour that warm chocolate sauce right on top. Look at that shine! And there you have it, a rich, moist chocolate cake that smells amazing and tastes even better. Try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes every week.